The Geissele Automatics AR-15 M4 reaction block is an all-steel part that can assist in a variety of lower receiver operations. The reaction block clamps onto any mil-spec buffer tube and has a solid post to clamp into a vise. The block can be attached at multiple angles, giving better access to parts of the lower receiver. This is a great option for trigger and buffer nut installations. The Geissele Automatics AR-15 M4 reaction block provides an ultra-stable platform for working on your next build. And like all products sold by Brownells, the Geissele Automatics AR-15 M4 reaction block is backed by our 100% unconditional forever satisfaction guarantee.